Ever notice how most people think luxury cars are just ticking time bombs, fancy, expensive, and one repair away from bankruptcy? But what if I told you some of them quietly outlive the so-called reliable Toyotas and Hondas, and you can buy them for pocket change? That's exactly what we are going to discover today. The Lexus GS is one of those cars that make you question everything you thought you knew about luxury sedans. It's the quiet neighbor who never brags, but somehow manages to outlast everyone else on the block. While the Germans were busy chasing horsepower and touchscreen gimmicks, Lexus quietly perfected the art of never breaking down. If you're the kind of driver who loves comfort and class, but hates the idea of visiting the mechanic more than twice a year, the GS might just be your perfect match. Built on Toyota DNA, this sedan offers that old-school reliability wrapped in a refined, understated design. The GS 350, for instance, comes with a naturally aspirated V6 that delivers around 311 horsepower, silky smooth and proven to last well beyond 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. And yes, no turbos to worry about. Transmission? A bulletproof 8-speed automatic that shifts cleaner than most dual clutches from the same era. Fuel economy hovers around 23 miles per gallon combined, not Prius territory, but solid for a car that cruises like a private jet. Inside, the cabin feels timeless. Soft-touch leather, a whisper-quiet ride, and seats that genuinely feel like they were sculpted for long drives. Lexus didn't chase flashy screens or fragile tech. They built interiors meant to age gracefully. The Mark Levinson sound system, when equipped, still makes modern setups sound flat. Now, here's what to watch for. Early models from the mid-to-2010s sometimes developed minor suspension wear or leaky shocks around the 100,000 mile mark. Not catastrophic, but worth checking. Regular fluid changes and premium fuel keep that V6 humming for decades. Today, you can find a clean GS 350 from the 2014 to 2019 range for around 20 to 30 grand, depending on mileage and condition. That's less than what some folks pay for a new Corolla, but with triple the class. And the next car? Let's just say it was built to take down the Germans, and somehow became a hidden gem instead. If the Lexus GS is the quiet overachiever, the Acura RLX is the straight-A student who somehow never got invited to the party. It's one of those luxury sedans that almost refused to advertise itself, which is probably why most people forgot it ever existed. But here's the twist. The RLX might be one of the most durable and smooth-driving luxury sedans you can still buy today. Built by Honda's luxury division, it carried the same engineering philosophy that made Accords and Odysseys run forever. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 produces around 310 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic and later a slick 10-speed. The best part? No turbochargers, no unnecessary complexity, just good old Honda precision. Many of these engines have crossed the 200,000 mile mark without major drama. The sport hybrid SH-AWD version was Acura's tech masterpiece, using a 3-motor hybrid setup to deliver nearly 370 horsepower with all-wheel drive and surprisingly good fuel economy, around 28 miles per gallon combined. And unlike some European hybrid systems that love to throw codes, this one ages gracefully if serviced on time. Inside, the RLX feels like a boutique hotel suite, premium leather, wood trim that actually feels like wood, and seats that seem to melt stress away. The dual-screen infotainment was its only weak point, clunky by today's standards, but bulletproof in reliability. If you're shopping used, focus on 2015 to 2020 models. Prices now hover between $18,000 and $25,000, which is absurd considering you're getting a flagship sedan that once stickered for over 60 grand. Check for adaptive suspension operation and make sure the transmission fluid was changed regularly. That's pretty much it. The RLX is a car that doesn't scream luxury, it whispers it in the kind of voice that lasts for decades. Enjoying the content? So, grab your phone, hit subscribe, and drop your city in the comments. I want to see where the true car lovers are watching from. And the next one? Let's just say it's German, it's overbuilt, and it aged better than anyone expected. When people talk about reliable luxury, Cadillac isn't usually the first name that comes to mind. But the second-generation CTS, built between 2008 and 2014, quietly proved everyone wrong. It was one of those rare moments when American engineering caught up to the Germans and in some ways outlasted them. The CTS was Cadillac's comeback story. Its sharp design still looks fresh today, and under the hood, you'll find engines that have aged far better than anyone expected. The sweet spot? The 3.6-liter V6, a naturally aspirated powerhouse with around 304 horsepower, paired to a 6-speed automatic, or a manual in some early models, yes, a manual Cadillac. Smooth, strong, and when properly maintained, surprisingly durable. Now, here's the trick. Avoid the high-strung early direct injection models that didn't get their timing chain updates. Look for 2012 and newer, where Cadillac solved that issue. A quick peek at service records can tell you if the chain's been replaced or if the tensioners were updated, and once that's done, this engine will run happily for well over 200,000 miles. Inside, the CTS feels tight and premium, real aluminum trim, comfortable leather seats, and a cockpit that makes you feel cocooned without feeling cramped. It's not techy like modern cars, but it nails the fundamentals: quiet ride, strong climate control, and a driving position that actually makes you want to take the long way home. Fuel economy sits around 20 miles per gallon combined, which is right in line for a mid-size luxury sedan with this much character. Handling is genuinely athletic. The rear-wheel drive setup gives it that German-like balance, and all-wheel drive versions are rock solid for snowy climates. And here's the best part. You can grab a clean 2012 to 2014 CTS for $9,000 to $13,000 today. That's less than what many people pay for a 10-year-old BMW 3 Series, and with fewer headaches. If you want a luxury car that still feels special without bankrupting you in maintenance, the CTS is an underrated gem. It's proof that when Cadillac tried, they really could build something world-class. And the next one? It's from a brand that built its reputation on reliability, but this particular model became the forgotten flagship of the entire lineup. If there's one car that proves comfort and reliability don't have to be opposites, it's the Toyota Avalon. For decades, this full-size sedan sat quietly between Camry simplicity and Lexus prestige, offering both, but without the ego. It's the kind of car your neighbor's dad bought new in 2008 and is still driving today, trouble-free. The fourth-generation Avalon, built from 2013 to 2018, is the sweet spot. It rides on the same platform as the Lexus ES, but keeps things simpler, cheaper to maintain, and just as refined. Under the hood sits the legendary 3.5-liter V6, producing around 268 horsepower with buttery smooth delivery. Paired to a 6-speed automatic, it's one of the most proven setups Toyota has ever made. Timing chain instead of belt, no turbos, no drama, just consistent power that can easily go past 300,000 miles with regular oil changes. Fuel economy? Around 24 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive for something this large and serene. The suspension tuning strikes a perfect balance between plush and planted, gliding over rough roads without feeling like a boat. Inside, the Avalon feels like a Lexus that forgot to brag. Soft touch everything, hushed cabin, and seats that'll have you searching for excuses to take a road trip. The limited trims brought ventilated seats, a premium JBL sound system, adaptive cruise control, and even memory settings for both driver and passenger, features that rival German cars costing twice as much. Reliability is, frankly, Toyota textbook. Common issues? Minimal. Occasionally a worn motor mount, a sticky power window switch, or a backup camera that needs recalibration. That's about it. The drivetrain is nearly bulletproof, and parts are affordable and easy to find anywhere in North America. Today, a clean 2014 to 2017 Avalon Limited sits in the $15,000 to $22,000 range, which makes it one of the smartest luxury purchases you can make. It's a set-it-and-forget-it kind of car that rewards you every single mile. The Avalon isn't trying to impress anyone, it's the car that just works, year after year, quietly proving that real luxury isn't about badges, it's about peace of mind. And if you think Toyota was the only one nailing quiet, bulletproof comfort, wait until you see what Lincoln was doing at the same time with way more power under the hood. When people think Lincoln, they picture soft suspensions, retirees, and giant sedans from another era. But the MKS was different. A car that quietly blended Ford's solid engineering with real long-term dependability. It was built on the same platform as the Taurus SHO, and while it never became a status symbol, it did become one of the most underrated full-size luxury bargains on the used market. Under the hood, buyers had two strong options: the naturally aspirated 3.7-liter V6 with about 304 horsepower, or the twin-turbo EcoBoost 3.5 V6 pushing 365 horsepower with all-wheel drive. The naturally aspirated version is the one to get if you're chasing reliability, fewer moving parts, easier maintenance, and still plenty of power for long highway stretches. The 6-speed automatic transmission is a proven Ford unit, not the quickest shifter, but robust when serviced properly. Keep fresh fluid in it and it'll easily pass 200,000 miles. Fuel economy sits around 22 miles per gallon combined, which is fair for a big, heavy sedan that cruises like a cloud. Inside, the MKS was Lincoln's attempt to modernize American luxury. Soft leather, real aluminum trim, cooled seats, and one of the most comfortable highway rides in its class. The cabin insulation is top tier, road noise simply vanishes, and the big panoramic roof makes it feel airy and upscale. Now, let's talk about ownership. These cars depreciated like crazy when new, which means you can find a 2013 to 2016 MKS for $10,000 to $16,000 today, often with low mileage. The main things to check? Suspension bushings and the water pump. It's internal on the 3.5 EcoBoost. But once those are handled, these engines are tanks. The MKS is the kind of car you buy once and forget about, not because it's boring, but because it simply doesn't ask for attention. It's smooth, sturdy, and still looks sharp if you find one in that deep metallic paint Lincoln loved to use. It might not turn heads, but it will keep running long after the flashy ones are gone. And the next one, well, let's just say if you thought American luxury couldn't get more underrated than this, you might want to stick around, because it absolutely does. The Buick LaCrosse is one of those cars people love to forget, until they ride in one. It's the car that whispers instead of shouts, blending old-school comfort with modern reliability. While everyone was chasing German badges and touchscreen overload, Buick quietly built one of the smoothest, most dependable luxury sedans of its time. The sweet spot sits with the second and third generations, from 2010 to 2019. These were the years when Buick finally shook off the grandpa car image and leaned into refined engineering. The 3.6-liter V6 is the star of the show here, around 310 horsepower, paired to a 6-speed automatic in early models and a 9-speed in later ones. Both transmissions, made by GM and Aisin, are proven workhorses. Keep the fluid clean, and they'll easily cross the 200,000-mile mark without drama. Fuel economy ranges around 26 miles per gallon combined, impressive for a large, near-luxury sedan that weighs as much as some SUVs. The ride quality is where the LaCrosse shines, soft but composed, with that Buick float that turns long highway drives into therapy sessions. Inside, it's a surprise. Leather everywhere, real stitching, and sound insulation so good you can hold a conversation at 70 miles per hour in whispers. Higher trims brought ventilated seats, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, and even an optional all-wheel drive setup that makes it a perfect four-season cruiser. Reliability, quietly excellent. The V6 is shared with countless GM models, meaning parts are cheap and everywhere. Known issues are minor: a leaky thermostat housing, worn engine mounts, and the occasional touchscreen glitch. Nothing deal-breaking, nothing catastrophic. And here's the kicker. A 2015 to 2017 LaCrosse in great shape can be had for $11,000 to $17,000. That's absurd value for a car that feels, drives, and lasts like something twice its price. The Buick LaCrosse isn't trying to be sporty or trendy, it's trying to make your life easier, quieter, and calmer. And in a world of over-designed, over-complicated luxury cars, that's exactly what makes it special. And there it is, 5 luxury cars the world forgot, but that just won't quit. The GS, RLX, CTS, Avalon, and LaCrosse. Quiet, reliable, and built to last longer than most status cars ever will. So tell me, which one would you trust in your driveway? And stick around, the next video is all about used luxury SUVs that refuse to die.